So in Blackboard, there's a couple ways to see when assignments are due. One of which is that you can go into the My Grades area, and within My Grades, not only can you see your grades, you can see the assignments and when they're due, the ones that have been graded, and the ones that are upcoming, the ones you've submitted. So all the grades should show up in that area. One caveat to that is that for the unlimited quizzes, since those are due at the same time as the first attempt, you'll see here like chapter 8, first attempt, it doesn't show unlimited. You have to do the first attempt before the unlimited will show up. Once the first attempt is done, then the unlimited shows, but it's hiding back there. The other way that I could see to do these instead of going to My Grades is to go to Calendar. Okay, and if you look at Calendar, it shows when the various things are due. Once again, you see the first attempt shows up, and the subsequent ones don't show up until after you go through into the first one. So if I went through and tried to do that, it won't let me do it because the date's past due. Okay. On the other hand, if I wanted to go back and do let's see, so chapter 8's not been done yet. If I did chapter 8, then chapter 9 would show up. So to do chapter 8, I would just go here and then go to this test, and it will open up the test for me, and then I get to go ahead and go from there. So I do begin, the test starts. So in a nutshell, that's the way that you go through and see how to do the various parts of this. The other thing that you could do is if you go to the from your sign-in page, if you go to the content, you'll see your quizzes area there, and we've already completed section 1, so we're to section 2, and from section 2 I can go through to do the various attempts from there. So anyway, hope that helps.